What happens when a simple tortilla meets a rich, fluffy egg wrap? Stick around, because today I'll show you my favorite way to make an egg tortilla wrap. It's quick, delicious, and packed with flavor. I love this for breakfast. Sounds delicious already, right? Let's head into the kitchen and start cooking our egg tortilla wrap step by step. Add 2 cups all-purpose flour. I like to sieve my flour first to keep it light and lump-free. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, this is optional. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of margarine. Combine the all-purpose flour with the other ingredients and mix into a soft dough. Gradually add 1/4 glass of water and mix into a soft dough. We appreciate your support. Kindly subscribe to our channel. To keep the dough from sticking to your hands, rub a little oil on your palms. Before we continue, tap like and subscribe. It really helps us bring you more tasty recipes every week. Thanks for the support. All right, let's get back to it. For the tastiest tortillas, always make sure your dough is soft and well prepared. Next, divide the dough into portions, depending on how many tortillas you want to make. I always sprinkle a bit of flour while spreading the dough. It prevents sticking and makes rolling easier. Be sure to check out our channel when you can. We've got lots of breakfast and dinner recipes that might inspire you. Cook on medium heat. Grease the pan with a little oil and cook each side for about 30 seconds. Don't mind the shape. Oh my. It will still taste amazing. All right, now let's prepare our egg mixture. This will bring everything together into a delicious tortilla wrap. Now let's spice it up. Into our egg mixture, add red chili, chopped green onion, fresh coriander, and a pinch of salt. Before we continue, tap like and subscribe. It really helps us bring you more tasty recipes every week. Thanks for the support. Gently whisk the egg mixture until everything is well combined. Now let's oil the pan. Next, place the onion rings and tomatoes and cook for about 20 seconds on each side. Next, let's pour our egg mixture onto the pan. Make sure the egg mixture spreads evenly to cover the tomatoes and onion rings. Gently press the tortilla over the egg mixture to help them stick and cook as one. Flip and cook each side of the tortilla until it turns golden. Garnish with fresh coriander and top with grated mozzarella cheese for a delicious flavor boost. Before we continue, tap like and subscribe. It really helps us bring you more tasty recipes every week. Thanks for the support. Fold the tortilla in half to let the cheese melt nicely. Our tortilla wrap is ready and it smells absolutely delicious. Let's see the inside. Honestly, I could eat tortillas every single day with all kinds of fillings, but this combination is my absolute favorite. Tortillas can be made in so many ways. Which one do you love the most? Let me know in the comments section and I might do yours as our next recipe. Hope you loved today's recipe. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes.